you say bagpipes, Gracie? That's what that is. It's a big airbag right there, and then you take your elbow and you squeeze it down and it blows air out. It's an Irish tradition to have bagpipes. And you see that what that guy's wearing? Can you say kilt? It's not a skirt, it's a kilt. When a guy wears it, it's called a kilt. You forgot your pot of gold.
I know you are. Yeah. See you guys. Thanks for being here.
All right. Yay. Oh, here, go get some. Gracie, get it. Get it. Here. Come here, then. Grab the peach right there. Grab right there. Say thank you. Oh, thank you up to him. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You gonna put it in your pocket or my daddy's pocket?
I like a little kid in my
Put it in daddy's pocket? Okay.
That's not a handicap.
Briefly, you can see, babe. Oh, yeah, keep an eye on our bag. Look at the little police car. Hey, go get it, Grace. Go on. Easy. Be careful.